Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the wake word of your Amazon Echo speaker. At the first, open the Amazon application, go for the devices, click on the Echo and Alexa, select your speaker.
To set up your device, go to the device setup section of the Alexa
Click on the
app.
settings. Right now we have to scroll down. As you can see, the wake word appears right here. So open it and then simply switch to any that you want. You can like take the computer, click OK. As you can see, it is changing right now, so that's how the LED changed. And it will take for like a few minutes, so we have to wait and be patient. Okay, as you can see right now it's changed, so right now let's try computer. As you can see, it's working. So yeah,
to control a video device,
that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.